So we're going to go over loading some of the configuration parameters in a PA200, which we can do through the browser interface. We just cleared this device, or as it's shipped from the factory, and the easiest way to connect to it is if I have a USB to Ethernet adapter. I want to put that on the same subnet as my device, which is 199.199.199.1. So I make my adapter 199.199.199.100. Subnet mask, gateways don't matter. Alternatively, I could have just taken the main interface on my desktop here. And then I am going to ping 199.199.199.1. Okay, I can see it. So I am going to open up a browser. I'm going to browse into 199.199.199.1, and my default credentials are capital A D M I N, capital A D M I N. This will now get me in and show me the serial number, the version, etc. I can then go in and change network parameters, which would include IP address. It's going to So I have an IP address here. It's also going to show me the cellular fixed IP address. It's not showing me the APN, but you shouldn't change the APN anyway. So you have subnet, mask, etc., etc. So if I'm going to put this on a network, I can directly make an address change here to this. Although typically the larger devices, if I'm a head-end device, I can put an IP address in here and save it. If this is a remote device, typically I'm going to configure it right over the LTE interface, so I can reach out and program that directly from the OBM and configure it. I can change all of these parameters from the OBM. There's also system parameters in here. I can add primary, secondary messages. If I don't want to use the OBM, I can also name ports on my devices here, and I can also put some users in here. So that is, but typically for the most part, you're just assigning IP addresses, or if you want to find out what the LTE address is, you can do that from that as well.